video. So these aren't trends that I read off Vogue or read off fashion magazines. They're trends that I'm seeing slowly come up on Pinterest, Instagram, just the online fashion girlies. Maybe an item I've seen once, I can just tell it's gonna catch on, or it's the epitome of whatever the fashion like cycle. That's what this is. And it's stuff that I love. I like all these pieces I'm going to talk about. First spring trend that I think we're going to be seeing a lot more of are skinny belts. We saw the big, the chunky, the widest belt slung low on your hips. We really didn't see too many cinching in at the waist. I still like to wear my belts like that, and I think it's so flattering that you can never go wrong with it. But I think pairing a skinny belt cinched in at the waist is going to be the next big thing. I know so many people talked about, probably like last year, the cinched waist and having that kind of silhouette on blazers and dresses and shirts and whatever. Adding a belt cinching your waist in is the easiest way to do this and have it already in your closet. I think you can also pair the skinny belt with jeans and skirts and anything else. It is such a non-offensive piece that I bet so many of us still have one in our closet. I'm literally looking at one that I haven't worn in so long, sitting on a pair of pants right now. But yeah, away from the super wide chunky belt and into a more skinny belt. Not saying the wide belt is out or you can't wear it anymore, obviously, but yeah, I think we're gonna start seeing a lot more of the skinny belt, and I think we have been seeing it mostly on like high fashion, and it does give this kind of like luxurious, quiet, luxury, old money type of look that so many people have already been talking about. Next one is kind of random and definitely feels more spring. I think we're gonna start seeing the sport boot, and I think the OG version of this is the Prada sport boot, but you can find so many like dupes or just kind of look for less. Recently got a pair off eBay from the brand Keen. They're obviously secondhand. I don't know if they're like vintage or they don't make them anymore or whatever, but I think this kind of like more narrow silhouette boot we've been seeing with the heeled boot, and now it's going to transform into the flat boot. I know also we have like the riding boot that a lot of people have been wearing, but that still can have a bit more of a lug sole or a thicker sole. Sport boot it's like aerodynamic. It's almost like a sneaker. It mixes the two together, and I think it is so fashionable. It is so chic. It looks so cute with like a midi skirt or even a mini skirt. It's the perfect spring boot. I can't speak on the Prada ones because I don't know. The Keen ones are waterproof. They're honestly perfect. I know we've been seeing a lot of hunter boots as well, and I also think that those are still going to have their moment and are still having their moment. You can find hunter boots secondhand so easily because they're such a classic style. They never go out of style, but they do go out of trend. A hunter boot kind of feels like that version of a sport boot, but they're different. Yeah, I guess like just more sporty boots, more practical boots. The Moto boot, I still think people will be wearing them. I'll be wearing them. I know a lot of us spent a lot of money on those, so we're not ready to retire them yet. This sport boot feel gives a totally different look, and I know Prada sport boots, the actual Prada ones, have been going up in price, like reselling, and I'm curious to see if Prada re-releases the sport boot. I don't think they have one out right now. Next spring trend people have been talking about for a while now, and I just never really hopped onto the versions I was seeing, but the clog. I feel like the Boston Birkenstock was kind of like, again, the dip in the toe for the clog. It's a very casual version of the clog and a very modern version of the clog. I want to see like the 70s wood clog. They're so cute. They look so good with just a pair of jeans, especially like a kick flare or a bootcut jean with dresses, mini skirts, long, short dresses, whatever. The clog is so good. I feel like if I were to get a wood clog, I would get one with like the strap on the back just so it stays on a little better. I recently got this pair from Cezanne. Let me show you. Okay, I kind of have a lot of clogs. Literally already have 3 pairs of clogs. I don't know what I'm talking about getting another pair of clogs. The first ones, these are my newest ones. These are from Cezanne, and they're just such a cute sandal. They kind of go into my 2025 trend predictions of like, I just want people to start wearing heels more day to day. I think these with like jean shorts and a t-shirt in the summer would be so cute, and they're pretty comfortable. So we'll see if I actually wear them day to day, but I really want to because they're adorable. And then again, yeah, like with dresses, skirts, whatever. And then the next pair, I would classify these as clogs. These are the Dr. Scholl exercise sandals. These ended up just being like a pool shoe for me, but they're a lot cuter than just like a classic pool shoe. These ones have little cherries on them. They're vintage. I got them from Poshmark, I'm pretty sure, and they're so cute. Again, just that wooden clog spices up a look. It's literally just like a slide. My Adidas slides, I think, are my oldest shoe in my entire closet. I wear those so often. These are just like the elevated version. And then another pair that I have are these Everlane. These are Puffa Clog, I'm pretty sure it's called. These aren't insanely comfy, and I wish they were because I would wear them so much more often. Like, they're comfy, but they're just a bit harder to walk in because they're a bit of a higher heel. I have the yellow ones also, but not with me right now. These are just like chic. The black is so cute. This is like perfect for a night out. This is a bit more of a modern version of the clog. I like both. Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to take a moment and thank our sponsor, Warby Parker. Major trend this year has been the eyeglasses, which is honestly just so nice for somebody who doesn't have 20/20 vision. I know there's so many talks about what style is the best or what style is trending for 2025, but in my opinion, the best style is what suits your face. So that's why I am obsessed with this Warby Parker at-home try-on kit. It is so simple. You pick out your 5 favorite styles online, and Warby Parker ships them to your house for free to try them on and figure out which one looks best on you. Everything's in the box, ready to go. It even comes with the return shipping label, so it's so easy to send it back. All the Warby Parker glasses are exclusive to Warby Parker. They're designed in-house with premium materials. See these give like, oh my gosh, with this jacket. Wait, but these are actually really cute. Oh, these are so chic. These like tortoiseshell ones are so cute. I love that Warby Parker has every style you could imagine. The blue ones are so cute. It's so fun. I feel like I've really struggled with my glasses with the short hair, but these are really, really fun. I'm trying not to get the glare of the lights. I should have worn these the whole video. Oof. What style are these? These are the Rosy. Warby Parker glasses start at only $95, including prescription lenses, anti-reflective, and scratch resistant. I always love these. Oh, these are good. This coat is throwing me off though. These are the Chemi. All of those are fun too. I love the super thick frame. Love that trying this kit is totally risk-free. You do not have to buy glasses to get this kit for free shipped to your house. If you don't know where to start with the glasses, as you can tell, I have a wide array of what I tried on. You can take the style quiz online to help you out. And this kit is for 5 prescription lens glasses, no sunglasses. You can try 5 glasses at home for free by scanning this QR code or using the link in the description box. And if you have vision benefits, you can use your vision insurance or flex spending on prescription glasses, contacts, and eye exams. Thank you again to Warby Parker for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the other trends. Next trend prediction are bootcut jeans. I feel like we've been seeing bootcut jeans, so it's really not that big of a trend prediction. I think we'll just start seeing them more in real life. I feel like we've seen fashion girlies style them and wear them, but they're just not the go-to jean yet, and I feel like they're going to become the go-to jean for a lot of people. I'm still looking for my perfect pair because I want them to be low-waisted or just like medium rise, mid-rise, and I want them to be secondhand, so it's always hard to find jeans secondhand and get all the boxes you want. Bootcut jeans with a pair of clogs, like with these, would be so cute. These don't look so great with like a super baggy denim in my opinion. I know I talked about like kick flare jeans and kick flare pants, I feel like in last spring video maybe, and I still like that, but a kick flare pant is different than a bootcut jean. I don't really like a kick flare jean. I'm so particular. Okay, next trend I think is going to be big this spring is the poncho. I've talked about like the cape before and how much I love that, and I think the cape is like, you have to be a certain type of person to step out in a cape. Mine is like half a poncho, half a cape, but it's got like holes in the front, so it makes it a cape. And a poncho, you just put it over your head. Okay, total side note, and I'm sorry this does not apply to somebody or any of you, but a poncho for a toddler is a game changer. I got my daughter a poncho on Poshmark, I'm pretty sure. You don't have to stick their arms through it and like find their arms. She loves her poncho. She can put it on herself. Poncho for toddlers is like game changer. Ponchos for adults, so fashionable. I've recently thrifted a black one that I posted a video in, and it's adorable. I love it just over a t-shirt. I feel like spring is really the only time you get to wear the poncho unless you're gonna wear it in the winter like over a long sleeve or something. But I hope to find more ponchos because I'm not obsessed with that black one. Before I like scoured the internet for the perfect one, I was at the thrift and I was like, I'm gonna pick it up and see if I even wear it. I've worn it like 3 times since getting it in the past couple weeks, so that's a sign that I can take hours to find the perfect one online. Or it'll just fall into my lap, but I highly doubt it. I think ponchos also in the summertime are so cute, just like over a bikini or something. I know a lot of girls wear like a men's button up or button down their bikinis, and that's just like not me. I'm more of a I'm gonna put on a poncho over my bikini type of girl. And again, just with like jeans and clogs, that's such a look. Pairing it over mini dresses with a mini skirt, even shorts. It's cute. Okay, and this last one is kind of from a few things. First being, I was subconsciously doing this. I've never been one, I don't want to say never, but I don't normally put a long sleeve under a t-shirt, but I started doing it for my daughter because her t-shirts are so cute and I was missing them this winter. I put like a thermal or a long sleeve on and then just like a graphic tee on top of hers, and I love the look, so then I started doing it with my own clothes. And I saw Daughter of a Hoarder made a video about layering basics, and I haven't had the chance to watch it yet. I literally saw it yesterday. I was like, oh my god, yes, that is so a trend. I feel like I subconsciously got it from like Emma Chamberlain when she did her video where she like got rid of all her clothes and showed us what she had left. She talked about so many of the pieces being layering pieces, and I am not somebody who layers because I'm a very simple dresser. I like have statement pieces, but I wear them in a very simplistic way, and that's something I've realized about myself is I'm not going to over accessorize. I'm not going to do the most. I'm going to have the most pieces, but I'm going to do the least with them. When she was talking about layering, I was like, yeah, I'm never going to do that. There's something so cute and almost youthful about pairing basics with basics. And I don't think I would necessarily do like long sleeve with like a tank top on top, or even more like strappy pieces that I've been seeing on Pinterest. A t-shirt and a long sleeve, I'm so down for it. I think it's so cute. And just with a pair of jeans, again, it's easy. But that's it for my 2025 spring trend predictions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to do a thrifting spring trends and styling spring trends, so stay tuned for those. I love you guys the absolute most. I'll see you in a few days. Bye!